Hello peoples. Anyway, back from our fishing trip. It's absolutely cold and about to rain. Whoa! Turn the heater on. Snuggle my buggles up a little bit and get into it, I reckon. See what we got. Voila. Whoa! Oh, nice fish in there. So we've got some bastard trumpeter. What we're going to do, we're going to scale them and we're going to gut them. My father-in-law's left the knives in there. Just go in the oven nicely. So I'm going to leave the head on. Come on there. And straight down to his backside. Yeah. Alright, so head on, scale. We're going to oven bake it. Gut out. Rip all that out.
Wow!
That hose there, Doc. One done. I'll just chuck him back in here on ice. There we go, more out. Nice to get all those scales off. There's nothing worse than getting a mouthful of scales if you like to eat the skin, as a lot of people do. These things are pretty cool. Or you could just make it, just grab yourself a bit of timber and put a lot of screws in it. That also works. And I've seen people use a fork. fingers in there and rip all that guts out. You want it, dog, do you? She'll eat anything, that thing. Like I said, these are great for, you can pan fry them like this, or you can bake them in the oven on the barbecue. Go. Showed you how to do 3. What we'll do is we'll keep doing the rest and then we'll lay them out and show you. Or let me do the shark right now, Dale. And yeah. There's a shark in here somewhere. Baby shark, duck, duck, duck. Okay. Kids loved catching this. I thought that was great. A different knife. I'll put that there. Right. So, to barrel a shark, you go up and over and down, back over, back through its bum. And then you rip the head. You go break the head like that and all the guts and everything's going to come out, right? What we want to do is we want to just fillet it. So straight up through the backbone. Try and keep your knife really straight. There's a lot of meat up in that shoulder there too. As you fillet. But oh man, smell it. Out of her, Bonnie. Right, straight on the head. All that. There's your bone. Back over. Alright, one of 2 ways you can do it. You can do this afterwards or before. So, swap knives. What we try and do is get the bones out of there. Now these gloves are not. Alright. I'm going to stop the knife at all. So, would you like this bit? Okay, I bet you would. Hey Sheba dog, you want a piece? Come here, girl. Right. Back the front here. All those bones. This is great for the kids, the shark. Okay, you want a piece each? Come on. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Bonnie, sit down. You're not going to get to you, sit. Oi, 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 that's my glove. Good girl, Sheba. Hey, you're the good dog. Okay. Teach her. Bonnie. Bonnie. No. Silly puppy dog. Silly puppy dog. Trying to take the big dog's food. She's not going to win, is she? Okay, so with this, grab the skin and pull it. Pull your knife through. Alright, you're pulling with your left hand, or if you're right-handed, whichever way. So pull it. You don't need to force your knife through it. You just pull back on the skin. And there's your shark. Kids love the shark. Get rid of that fin. Our knife's going to go through it a little bit better. So turn him around. So once you get started, wrap it around your little fingers and pull. Keep your knife flat and just pull. It'll all come off. Americans make boots out of this for the military. Oh, look at that, I stuffed it up. Now this is the hard part. If you stuff it up, you got to pick it up again. Very hard without a stainless steel glove on. I reckon I'm going to cut myself like that. Let's try this. There we go. That got it. I might have taken a bit of a bite out there, but that's all got it. See that little fringe there? That's the fin. You don't want that. That tastes gross. I'll cut him off. Back here, same thing again. That's the fin. Trim it up, and she's pretty good. So we'll wash those off and chop them up. I'm going to do the rest. I'll spread it out and I'll show you what we got. And there we have it. We've cleaned all the fish. Now it's time to eat. I don't know if you can see this here. If Chloe shines the light down, you can see all the fish. Come around this side, Dom. You can see them there?
Yeah.
Come around this side, Chloe. Okay. We got this stripy trumpeter, banded marrowong here. These are all wrasse. And we got the shark. So, I think it's time to go to the kitchen and we'll go eat.